Hi, it's Claire Saunders from What's New in Electronics. I'm here at IPC APEX with Bert Horner from the Test Connection and the Training Connection. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for having me.
Good. I'm so glad you come in like Winnie colours with your orange. It's brilliant. Thank you.
They told me there was a dress code.
Well, there you go. You got the memo, which is
Yes,
brilliant.
ma'am.
So I understand you have quite an important birthday anniversary, if you like.
Yes, we have our 45th anniversary, making us the oldest test development house in the world that does what we do, the process testing and circuit flying probe boundary scan. So we're excited with that, and we're growing. So
It's amazing.
we got longevity and growth.
That's fantastic. I mean, the economy is interesting at the moment. The world's an interesting place.
It's raising some challenges, but what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Well, we're strong.
That's brilliant. That's great stuff. And it's 45 years with the Test Connection, but the Training Connection is something slightly newer.
Yes, the training connection started up last year. We had a need from customers that said, wish we knew something about this, something about that. So we created a slightly different business model, and we have a training center. We do IPC training certification and growth in that way, but we also do test engineering training, which the industry doesn't have.
Okay.
So we have a unique building on our test connection background, but it is it's been a challenge, but it's also been very rewarding when people are saying, "Hey, you helped us."
And that's what you need to do. You need to listen to the customers and look at opportunities.
Yes.
And I'm guessing that's how you've developed your business over the last 45 years.
Yes, you got to shut up and listen sometimes, and people will tell you what they need and want, and it's how to disseminate and make it successful. My father started the company in 1980, and I've been running it for the last 5 years. So.
Brilliant, great stuff. And the challenges I guess you've seen over the last 5 years, I mean, I'm sure your father had many stories. Family businesses, we're a family business, so we know the story and the history, so I'm guessing there's a lot of learning that you got from your father first, but then, you have your opportunity to make your own mark over the last 5 years.
Tribal knowledge was obviously disseminated across, and I grew up in the industry, so, I started as a gopher, go for that, go for this, and I run the company, but it's been, you just gotta address the need, and as they give you opportunities to grow, you gotta seize them when you can, and we have.
Great stuff. And you're growing. You said you're stronger. Obviously, whatever you're doing it right. What are your customers asking for right now? What is what are your main goals?
Well, the increasing of test coverage with circuit boards not having great access. Your traditional test methodologies are not always coming through, but a combinational approach where static and dynamic probing, using inspection and test to help get your coverage up has been a part of our success. And it's just designed for test. So you do it up front, get it designed right, implement it here, and show that your coverage. So one of our partners is a software package, Aster, that does Testway, and it just shows the coverage. So if you set it up right, you do a combinational approach, and you can increase your coverage, and it minimizes risk when you're doing the production. So OEMs, they want their name branding to be successful. So that's you want to be a part of that, and I think we're doing a great job at it.
That's brilliant. That's great news. Well, as I say, clearly doing something right if it's a 45th anniversary.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Congratulations and good luck with the training as well.
It's an opportunity for growth, and we're doing it as well. So it's as we see a niche, and we're going to be carving out our own channel. IPC's been gracious enough to work with us, so that the SMTA, all these industry organizations have come to us, and I'm saying, tell us what you need, customers are telling us what we need. So we're creating courses and trying to supplement the what's not being disseminating the tribal knowledge to the next level workforce, the young guys that are replacing us way hairs. You know.
We need some young people coming in, so that's very, very much an important thing, and it's really good that we're getting those people engaged and keeping them in, because we're probably not going to be here to talk about your 90th.
No, ma'am. And well, maybe my son Cooper might be running a show, but yeah, I'm hoping I'm retired and having a drink on the beach somewhere.
Well, before that, I'm sure that next year we can talk about the training and how that's been going over the last year. So I look forward to that.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
It's great to meet you.
Thank you so much.